the last and final lipstick. I'm going back to this box today. This is the Dreamer collection from Unearthly. It is literally so stunning, but I have one lipstick left to try. I've been really savoring these, and I think they're really stunning and beautiful and gorgeous, and I love the formula. It is like so smooth. It's very glidey. I have become obsessed with like lipsticks like in a tube. It's been happening for a while now. I don't think that's new to anyone, but hi, also if you're new here, hey. But I like really savoring like packages and collections that I get like this, so it's not just like I don't know, I like to savor the makeup that I get, and maybe that's not the smartest move as a content creator because everyone's like, we want to see it now, we want it now, but I want to enjoy it and I don't know, savor it. I can't think of another word other than savor, but anyway, we're moving on. So this is the last one that I have to try. It's ZZZ. It's the ZZZ. It's the triple Z. So again, this is the packaging that it comes in. I really like this packaging too. It's really cute. I think the like iridescence-ness is nice, but I don't remember. I think because it's been so long, I don't remember which tone this one is going to be. Hopefully it looks good with this look, but yes, I don't think you can get these outside of the package. Love this packaging. I think this is so nice. It's not like so weighted that it feels like weighted, but I do like this packaging. I think it's very sleek. Let's see. Oh my, that's right. It's the purple. Ooh, I totally forgot. So this is what it looks like in the tube. That looks really pretty. I forgot about the purple. Oh my. They have a fruity scent, like almost like a passion fruit or some kind of, it smells like kind of like fruit punch at the same time. I don't know how to describe that. Unearthly, what is this scent? Okay, the way these glide, it's so satisfying. That color is so pretty. Holy crap. The texture of these lipsticks is really nice. They're very creamy. I would also not call these lipsticks matte. I don't think they're even like, I don't even know if you would call that a satin because sometimes I feel like they do have such a shine to them. It's really pretty. They're also extremely comfortable. I have been wearing, which one do I wear? I think it's Dreamer. Yeah, I really love Vision as well. Vision is really pretty. Dreamer is stunning. Cloudland. Let me just freaking swatch these so you can see. I am not the best at swatches. I'm gonna be the first one to call myself out on that, and swatches can only tell you so much. They're not gonna tell you how something performs. Full tea, full shade. Anytime someone's like, swatches tell you everything. Okay. Does it? So Cloudland, Vision, Dreamer, and then Zzz. These shades are really, really stunning. I do like them together. Like, I really like them as like a bundle, like as the set. I think it makes a lot of sense. It was really, really nice to have with this collection. I really think Unearthly having like separate lipsticks would be really great, just like not just in these kits, because I know a lot of people really enjoy them as well. Let me know your thoughts on these. I think this color is really pretty. This is not usually a color I would go for. However, in the realm of like purple shades, yeah. This to me is like a villain purple. Do you know what I mean? I just like the tone. I like the moodier tone of like deeper tone muted purples I really love, but I love like a moody purple. I love an emo purple. Shocking, I know. I know this is maybe kind of obvious, but with formulas like this, they do transfer like quite a bit. If that's something that you're concerned about, just letting you know. And that is the Dreamer set complete. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content and I will catch you in the next video. Bye! This is making me think of a character and I'm not sure. The green and the purple. Is it Ursula? Is it Beetlejuice? Is it all of the above? I don't know.